ታላቁ ሩጫችን ታላቁ ሩጫችን የኛ መለያችን ታላቁ ሩጫችን ታላቁ ሩጫችን የኛ መለያችን ታላቁ ሩጫችን ታላቁ ሩጫችን የኛ መለያችን ታላቁ ሩጫ የኛ መገለጫ ታላቁ ሩጫችን ግርማ ሞገሳችን ታላቁ ሩጫችን የኛ መለያችን
አመሰግናለሁ ክቡር ሚኒስተር በጣም ነው እናመሰግን ማለት ነው በእኛቱ እንዲሁም ባሳደር እና የፌድራል manager በባህላችሁ መገኘታችሁ እናመሰግናለን first of all I would like to say thank you all of you just to be with us today and I'm so very happy since yesterday I was very excited and don't believe it what I was yesterday thank you all of you who comes just all over the world to celebrate with us and he's talking about positive image of Ethiopia. It's not us, just the image is there. You know what's happening. I think many of you were here, the last, almost some of you, just 15 years, some of you 12 years. You can see the difference. It's true. As I said, what we need to know for tomorrow is the Yamarina Medicina. Today, I got to Ethiopia. Yajamanji is around Ziada Basau, Hundumal. Communist Manager, Narbat, and love Tassamis Summit, and now without regular. Still square in Yahan, Nagaripa, one another pressure, but I will know that two hidden to Malbagajan, today, Communist Captain, whatever Scanning with Yaga, and go. We can assume every good time the good hour to go. ተገንዝቦልን ለዚህ ደረጃ አሳምንስ ዓመታት ትልቅ ስራ ተሰርቷል። በዚህ ዙሪያ ደግሞ የፌደራል ፖሊስና የአዲስ አበባ ፖሊስ ያላሰለሰ ጥረት በጣም አድርጌ ሳላመሰግን አላልፍም። ተሳታፊዎች እንዳሉ ሆኖ ማለት ነው። ከዛ ባለፈ ደግሞ ጋዜጠኞች ይህንን ጉዳይ በተለያየ መልኩ እየዘገባችሁ በቲቪ በሉት፣ በሬዲዮን በሉት፣ በጋዜጣ በሉት እናንተን በጣም አድርጌ አመሰግናለሁ። የውድድር በአፍሪካ አንደኛ ብለን ያው ብታውት ነው። ሌላ አፍሪካ ሀገር ዳይሬክት ውድድር አዘጋጃለሁ ካለ ውድድር እንግባ ነው። ውድድር እንገባው እንግዲህ ከኢትዮጵያ ጋር መወዳደር አይቻልም። ኢትዮጵያ ለምን አንደኛ ሆነች? ይህ ውድድር ታውቃላችሁ። ኢትዮጵያ የሯጮች ሀገር እዚህ ውድድር ላይ ብታው ታሪካዊ ውድድር ነው። በአንድ ዓመት ውስጥ ባልና ሚስቶች ያው አንድ አይደለም ሁለት አሸንፈው የፍቅር ሩጫ ነው። የእንትን ብቻ ሳይሆን ማለት ነው፣ የዳንስ ብቻ ሳይሆን የፍቅር ሩጫ ነው። ይሄ ከሩጫ በላይ አላምታው ኢትዮጵያ ታብሩ ባላም ከሩጫ በላይ ነው። ለምን ያላችሁኝ እንደሆነ ኢትዮጵያዊ በሙሉ እየሮጠ ነው። ከሩጫ በላይ ማለት ነው። ኢትዮጵያዊ ምናልባት 40,000 30,000 እዚህ መስመር አደባባይ ይሮጣል እንጂ ሌላው እየሮጠ ነው። ሩጫን በሩጫ ብቻ ሳይሆን ለሌላ ስራ እየሮጠ ነው። ሌሎች የደረሱበት ለመድረስ ተራምደን አልተቻለም። በፊት አንድ እርምጃ ወደፊት እንራመድ። አሁን ግን ከሮጥን እንደርስባቸው እንችላለን። ከተራመደ ግን እነሱ እየተራመዱ ስለሆነ ጋፑ እየሰፋ ይመጣል እንጂ ምን ለውጥ አናመጣም። አሁን የምንሩጥ ነው ብለው አደራችሁ። የኢትዮጵያ እድገት እንግዲህ ምናልባት ብለን አይናችን ጨፍነን አይደለም ካላልን በስተቀር የሚታየው ነገር እኛ በተሳናት ዞር ብለን እንጠይቀው ሮኮች የሚመጡ ወንድምና እህቶቻችንን ነው። እንዴት ነው ስንላቸው በቃ በጣም ኤክሳይትድ ነው የሚነግሩት። አሁን እንግዲህ ባካችሁ ይሄ ነገር ኢትዮጵያ ለሁላችን የምታስፈልገን አገር ይሄ ነገር እንንከባከበው፣ እናሳድገው፣ እንቀጥልበት። የተሻለ ኢትዮጵያ ወደፊት እናያለን። አትሊስት መስራት ካለማን ነው ማድረግ እና ጥሩ ነገር መስራት ካልቻለ መጥፎ ነገር በመስራት መቆጠብ ትልቅ ነገር ነው። አደራ ብለው ሁለታም በዚህ አጋጣሚ ለነገር በፈልገው ተሳታፊዎች ያው መስቀል ስኳር የምንነሳው ልክ እንደበፊቱ የጨዋነት የኢትዮጵያ የእንግዳ ተቀባይነት ባህላችንን አጠናክረን ከውጭ የመጡት እንግዶቻችንን እንዴት እንደምንቀበለው ያልመክራችሁ ቤታችሁ ውስጥ የምታስተናግዱትን መስተንግዶ ወደ ውጭ አውጥታችሁ ሁላችንም እንድናደርግ ነው የምፈልገው። እሑድ ዕለት ምናልባት እዚህ መሳተፍ ማትችሉ ወደ ውድድሩ ስፍራ መጣችሁ መመልከት ማትችሉ ደግሞ በኢቢሲ ወይም በኢትዮጵያ ብሮድካስቲንግ ኮርፖሬሽን ከጠዋቱ 2 ሰዓት ተኩል ጀምሮ ሰፊ ላይ ተሰጥቷል። በየቤታችሁ ሆናችሁ ቤትም የኢትዮጵያ ክልልም በሉት እንዲሁም በተለያየ ዓለም አቀፍ ቦታ በኢትዮጵያ ቲቪ በሚተላለፍበት ቦታ ሁሉ ልትመለከቱ ነው። በዚህ አጋጣሚ ጥሩ ውድድርና ጥሩ አዲስ አበባ በዚሁ አጋጣሚ ምን እንደምትመስል በዚህ ፕሮግራም በዚህ ላይ እናያታለን። አመሰግናለሁ።
Honored guests, it really is an honor and privilege to be here to celebrate the 15th anniversary of this world famous event, which is the Great Ethiopian Run. The Great Run Company is proud of its long association with the Great Ethiopian Run, and we've been working with you since the very first event in 2001. I'm also very proud, along with all of my colleagues, to be back here in Ethiopia, one of, if not the, greatest running nations in the world. It was back in 1960 when the world awoke to the greatness of Ethiopian running, when Abibi Bikila became the first Ethiopian and sub-Saharan African to win an Olympic gold medal. Since then, names like Walde, Ifda, Dibaba, Dafar, Tulu, Bikila, and of course, as voted for recently by the readers of the world's most famous running magazine, Athletics Weekly, the one and only Haile Gebrselassie as the greatest male endurance runner of all time.
Thank you very much, Mark. As you know, our history, when we started 15 years ago, we have partnered with the then Nova International, the organizer of the Great Run Series in the UK. And our history started then. We started with them the first 5 years. We've learned from Nova. And then from the following years, they were helping us with the international TV. The last 3 years, we've partnered, and the Great Run Company has been our title sponsor. They have been helping us to promote Ethiopia to the international world.
Thank you for being with us today. I was thinking that to be successful in running, you have to take risks. And the Great Ethiopian Run today, this weekend, you could say for the last few months, has taken a very big risk in announcing that Haile's last race will be on Sunday. I say that because, from my own experience, 9 years ago, the Great Ethiopian Run, with Juro's help, we staged a photo exhibition of Haile's great races. And one of the photos in that exhibition was a picture of Haile at the end of the 10,000 metres of the Athens Olympics. He was being embraced by Kenenisa and Seleshi. And the photograph was entitled Haile's Last Track Race. The reason for that was that 2 years before that, in Athens, just after the Athens Olympics, Haile had his second Achilles operation. And in the 2 years following, Haile had often said to me, "Richard, no more track races." So I was entitled to give the name of the photograph Haile's Last Track Race. Which one?
The last one.
The first one to go under 2 hours and 4 minutes. Now, Yossi, you've been coming to Ethiopia for 30 years or more, and I know that Haile remembers when he first met you at Janmida, when he was 17 years old. I think for most of us here, we can't imagine Haile as a 17-year-old. I didn't know Haile as a teenager, but yes, just give us a flavour of what was Haile like as a 17-year-old when you first met him?
Yes, he had a special style. He actually didn't win the race, but he had a very special style that was, you know, immediately you could see there was something special going on. But to be honest, you know, to see the talent of a 17-year-old is, you can't, you know, it's not always easy to say. But what also already that day, you know, was proving is that he had already this magnificent smile. It was a natural smile, and it became his trademark, I think, in the rest of the world for the rest of his career, and hopefully for the rest of his life it will be his trademark all over the world. And that kid was special, and also that, you know, English was difficult in those days for people to speak in Ethiopia, and he was already something saying like, me Europe, me Europe. So he was already this entrepreneur, and he was already this person that wants to discover the world, and that made him, beside the performance, you know, standing out from many of the other athletes.
Haile, what are your memories of that 24 years ago when you were still, Addis Ababa was a new place for you? What are your memories of being with Jos in those early years?
As you know, Richard, as I said, you know, at the beginning of my career, I just graduated Gambetta. I didn't know what he's doing there, what he was doing. Just Faranji, and hey, if he allow, I mean, if he can't bring me outside, just to compete, my dream, just to run outside Ethiopia. And of course, it's true. I improved, my English, not from the beginning, not in school. After I started athletics, and as you know, those, my memory, thanks to him, because when you see, go to Holland or go to all over the world, if you don't have the right person, a person who knows about, just my culture, and he is the only one in that time. He accepted, Ethiopia, because he'd been, with Ethiopians. The way he did a lot with the United Samoa, the way they run the Rotterdam Marathon and the Amsterdam Marathon. And he respected my culture, he respected, the Ethiopians, what we need to know. That's why we had a very good time with him. One of my memories, he's always telling me, don't worry, time enough, 10 years. You don't know what he's talking about. 10 years, just how can I run those things? It's always, no, slowly. Hey. Okay, then, I reached 10 years. Hey, just now I'm free now I'm 10 years. Oh, another more 10 years. What? And the other memory was just, if you look at just the race, Hengelo, 1998, that day, I was lying. I think those, he can be, just a very good witness. That 10,000 meters could be 26:10, believe it or not. Because as soon as the time, I was just very fast. All of them they were there, and just if you have a chance, you have to break it.
ታላቁ ሩጫችን የኛ መለያችን ታላቁ ሩጫችን የኛ መለያችን ታላቁ ሩጫችን የኛ መለያችን ታላቁ ሩጫ የኛ መገለጫ ታላቁ ሩጫችን ግርማ ሞገሳችን አረንጓዴ ቢጫ ቀይ ባንዲራ መስለው ዘምረው ጨፍረው ሩጠው ተደስተው ይሄዳሉ ከቤት ጥሩ መንፈስ ይዘው ትንሹ ትልቁ ሴት ሕፃኑ ወንዱ ዳገት ቁልቁለቱን ሲወጡ ሲወርዱ ከዋክብት ይመስላሉ መሬት የወረዱ የወንዝ ሳቢሳ የወንዝ ሳቢሳ ታላቁ ሩጫችን የኛ መለያችን ታላቁ ሩጫችን የኛ መለያችን ታላቁ ሩጫችን የኛ መለያችን ታላቁ ሩጫ የኛ መገለጫ ታላቁ ሩጫችን ግርማ ሞገሳችን ታላቁ ሩጫችን የኛ መለያችን ታላቁ ሩጫችን የኛ መለያችን ታላቁ ሩጫችን የኛ መለያችን ታላቁ ሩጫ የኛ መገለጫ ታላቁ ሩጫችን ግርማ ሞገሳችን አረንጓዴ ቢጫ ቀይ ባንዲራ መስለው ዘምረው ጨፍረው ሩጠው ተደስተው ይሄዳሉ ከቤት ጥሩ መንፈስ ይዘው ትንሹ ትልቁ ሴት ሕፃኑ ወንዱ ዳገት ቁልቁለቱን ሲወጡ ሲወርዱ ከዋክብት ይመስላሉ መሬት የወረዱ የወንዝ ሳቢሳ የወንዝ ሳቢሳ ታላቁ ሩጫችን የኛ መለያችን ታላቁ ሩጫችን የኛ መለያችን ታላቁ ሩጫችን ታላቁ ሩጫችን የኛ መለያችን ታላቁ ሩጫ የኛ መገለጫ ታላቁ ሩጫችን ግርማ ሞገሳችን ታላቁ ሩጫችን የኛ መለያችን ታላቁ ሩጫችን የኛ መለያችን ታላቁ ሩጫችን የኛ መለያችን ታላቁ ሩጫ የኛ መገለጫ ታላቁ ሩጫችን ግርማ ሞገሳችን አረንጓዴ ቢጫ ቀይ ባንዲራ መስለው ዘምረው ጨፍረው ሩጠው ተደስተው ይሄዳሉ ከቤት ጥሩ መንፈስ ይዘው ትንሹ ትልቁ ሴት ሕፃኑ ወንዱ ዳገት ቁልቁለቱን ሲወጡ ሲወርዱ ከዋክብት ይመስላሉ መሬት የወረዱ የወንዝ ሳቢሳ የወንዝ ሳቢሳ የወንዝ ሳቢሳ የወንዝ ሳቢሳ ታላቁ ሩጫችን የኛ መለያችን ታላቁ ሩጫችን የኛ መለያችን ታላቁ ሩጫችን የኛ መለያችን ታላቁ ሩጫ የኛ መገለጫ ታላቁ ሩጫችን ግርማ ሞገሳችን